OMG. Alright guys, so what you see here is a vase. No, it isn't. Anyhow, it finally printed. I can't remember exactly how many hours it took. Maybe about 4 hours. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, this is potentially a flying machine. Oh, the comedy, the irony. Anyway, as you can see here, there was some dark filament, but it was too dark for the print, so I decided to remove that, and instead I created this vase-looking thing, which maybe is going to be a whole lot lighter than the previous version of the jet that I made, and so maybe with wings it could actually fly. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see what happens with it. I'm glad that it printed like this. Can you believe that? You wouldn't be able to do that on a Cartesian style print.
Likey.